What up, guys? Sorry I ended there, bro. I had to go. I was chilling with Daniel Savage and shit. Smoked a little blunt. You guys hear me good? Sheesh. What up, boys? Let's see. This is our trade that we called on EJ. These green lines are TPs. Now, if price doesn't break this high, motherfucker, there's no one. What up, boys? GJ 22 pips right now. W's. Yes, sir. You know the fucking vibes. Good shit, bro. We're up 40 pips on this fucking trade, man. Let's see. So what's up, boys? Any other trades you guys got? Let's see. I bet I had to leave, bro. Dude, what a beautiful trade on this EJ, bro. Beauty, beauty, beauty. We're plus 40 pips right now. Plus 40 pips. Euro JPY 40 plus 40 pips. Oh my god, close to 50 pips now, bro. My shit just keeps running. We might get that 100 pip move I was talking about up here. There, my one lot would make $1,000, brother. Got a fucking rocket ship, baby. Rocket ship. You know the fucking vibes. You think GJ can continue to 152, 1385? Let's see. Bro, what a rocket ship, bro. I was looking for the sells. My whole bias was wrong tonight. But I was willing to take these trades up here. But damn, bro. And look what it did for us, boys. I didn't even see this yet. I haven't seen GJ yet. Let's see. Low-key a fucking beautiful fib long, bro. Look at that. What a fucking beauty, boys. Is this a trade you caught, buddy? Here, I'll know if... Nice, bro. Did you catch it here? Nice, bro. Nice, nice. You either caught it here or down here. Those were two great entries. $19 from my first $50 day. That's a 5-hour work shift for me. Yes, sir. Good shit, brother. Good fucking shit. Don't worry about making money right now, bro. Just focus on winning your trades, dude. If you guys stop focusing on the money, I promise you guys will fucking win your trades more often. Just due to the fact that your back is in against the wall and you're not tripping about the money, right? You're tripping about looking for that nice setup and that nice impulse up or down. But look at this, bro. We've won so many pips in the past. Like, yes, we took a small loss, right, on GU. Small fucking loss. You guys were all here for that. First of all, our whole fucking stop loss was, I believe, 9.4 pips. You guys can go back and check this out. Like, dude, there's no cap in me, bro. No fucking cap. You guys see the losses. You guys see the wins. Like, dude, we took this small loss right here, but why will I not take this trade, right? Like, everything is in my favor, right? Just the probabilities weren't in my favor to go my way, right? Maybe because we've melted so much, right? Now we're creating that side channel. And what have I always told you guys? It's a side channel, down channel, right? We could be creating this side channel. Oh fuck, that's not what I wanted. Side channel, down channel, and then up channel, right? So I feel like it is very little for you guys on my screen, bro. Is that, bro, the screen is so big. Like, I have a 43-inch screen, so I don't really need it, like, so big on my screen, you know? So if you guys ever have a problem looking at my shit, yeah. Look at this, bro. This was a trade I called on gbpjpy too. But I didn't take it. We would have been up 28 pips. You guys can go back and watch, like, this whole stream, bro. I literally called all these fucking trades, right? We took this small loss. We closed once price shot down, came back to our break even. We closed 50% of our position, and then we just let the rest ride to like 7-8 pips before it even hit my stop loss, which is up here at 904, I think, or something like that. 9.4 pip stop loss. We didn't even let it hit that because we already knew price closed inside the range. Come back, couldn't break out the range again, came back and couldn't break out the range again, but we got out on this right here before all this, right? So yeah, price could have shot down from here, but this candle right here should have told you guys that we're just gonna range. We don't want to break. And then what do we do? If we're not gonna go down, what is price gonna do, bro? It's gonna go up. So that's why I switched up my bias. And I was already looking for longs, right? Because we broke above the resistance we made right here, right? So that was our trade that we called on gbpUSD. I'm not gonna put that one in the chat because I didn't really call that one. I wasn't too confident on this setup, just because we were in my no trade range, right? Although this range is a big range, bro. I should have been trading this range tonight, right? Due to the fact that I could have just rode this down to this range and then bought at the support to then just ride it up, right? But that's not our strategy. You know, we wait for those confirmations and the high probability to be in my favor. If not, I'd rather not even take a trade if it's not in my favor. And then we got Euro JPY flying to the moon. Once we break this 8 SMA, I promise you boys. Okay. So where could be our targets, right? So we have this downtrend that we're breaking out of. I'd like it there low key, but we low key had these candlesticks kind of breaking it out already. So this isn't a perfect trend line, but it is a trend line, right? And now we're breaking out of the trend line, completely out of it, not like this, right? We're having candles close outside of the trend line, and we're breaking previous resistances and stuff, right? So here we're gonna delete all this. Those are our TPs, bro. We're like deep into our TPs now. We're about to hit TP 5. Which I haven't been taking profits. The last profits I've took was at my 20 pips. I don't know if you guys remember that. And then that's when I left one lot runner, right? So I am up currently like, yeah, like 500 bucks, 400 bucks. Here you can see. Yeah, like 450 bucks. So Reed, man, what are you looking for now? Look, maybe I can do this what I had drawn out on EJ. Could be a potential long setup again for a continuation. I would wait for some fork created just like this. If this happens right here, that'd be nice. So if we could get rejections to this area and a close above here and then a candle breaking those highs, we can continue writing this up. I might scale in here. So right now we're using dynamic risk. If I do take another trade that's in profit, it's called dynamic risk. So why? Because we want to capitalize on this whole move, right? Because I have a feeling it could just be something like this, right? Because price did fake us all out, right? It looks exactly the same. Look at that. But it didn't continue up. So I think I would much be a lot safer if we could break these highs above here, just because we would have to break these highs right here, right, in order to move up, in order for us to have that confirmation. But I do seem bullish. I would like to wait for maybe these SMAs to catch up just a bit. Yeah, definitely. I feel like we might come down, maybe form some support, wait for this 8 SMA to come back and swoop this all up. But we do need to maintain above this 8 SMA to stay bullish, right? Because we did the same thing here. So we need to stay above this 8 SMA to stay bullish. Yeah, trying to get another re-entry on EJ. Nice. Fuck. That might have been the retest to the previous level. Here, let's see. We're gonna wait. I'm gonna set a buy stop right up here. Setting a buy stop here. Let's see. Because I feel like if this candle does break these highs, it's just gonna continue rocket shipping. But I will be using good risk management on this trade, just because of the fact that we have already a runner, right? Buy stop. Alright guys, you guys ready? We might take this trade right now. I don't like to the left of us at all. But it seems like that volume that we're just gonna break through. So we'll wait for something like this. Alright, wait for this candle to break this. I'm in. We're in this trade. Here, let me move this to the side right here. We got the breakout right here. Okay, so where could I TP be? Alright, we could target right up here. This is all I want for this move. And then we just leave another lot runner. I hope you guys caught this trade with me, boys. Let's see. All we need is this little push, right? To the top of this range. That'd be so nice. We have a tight stop loss. I know that if price starts rejecting this area, we're gonna reject this 50 SMA, so I'll be completely out of my position. Let's see. Oh, come on. This might be a super FOMO trade, but fuck. I don't like this trade low key. We're gonna cut break even. Alright, we cut 50% of my position right here. We'll see. I got FOMO on that one. That was fucking annoying. I'm debating if we should cut. That was brutal. Might get stopped out in a second here. I'm actually gonna cut my full position here. Fuck that. Let's see. How's price action looking though? Yeah, you see this 5-minute had no wick. I cut my whole position, boys. Jesus Christ, that was ugly as fuck. I didn't know that this candle had still 21 minutes left. And now look at what we're doing, right? We're rejecting. Where's our 50 SMA that I was talking about? Alright, you see what I mean, boys? This is what I didn't want to happen. This right here. The rejection of this 50 SMA told me this is just gonna go the wrong way. Right? Because we haven't broken the 50 SMA in a while. So yeah, that's how you get clapped super quick. But we manage our risk, bro, so I don't care. We should next time what we do is maybe get in on this retest, right? Get in on this retest here. Or the buys have my buys above here. That'd be nice if that would have worked, but it didn't. So this was our entry. It was pretty much an impulse entry to maybe catch these pips up here. All I wanted was really this little move, but I didn't have a stop loss set on this trade because I was already thinking we're in this trade already, right? I shouldn't even be risking my profits at this point, so I'm gonna manage my risk perfectly on this trade. Why? Because I still have my runner that can eat even if I get out of my trade. That retest was fast. Yeah, it was very fast. But we remember, boys, this trade, like, at the end of the day, dude, I haven't closed this position, so I'm still bullish on the night just because I feel like we're gonna come up and at least touch these because of this aggressive move that we had through it, and we're going off of this Fibonacci long, right? This Fibonacci long, right? We're running off of this one, so we could at least see maybe these TPs due to the fact that we already hit these, right? So that's why I kind of took that trade, right? We're going off this fib, this breakout of this candle, but I shouldn't have entered up here. That was my mistake. So you guys, you see how I go back and like, okay, now let's say price goes in my favor. I'm gonna see for next time if this setup does work, and I'm gonna see it again next time in the future. So if this setup does play out at this time, around this time, then I'll be looking to stay in this trade a little longer. But just for the fact that we had a stupid entry right here. We had a crazy stop loss for this trade, right? Like I didn't want to risk 13 pips to catch, 10. So, but that's why I had no stop loss, and I managed my trade. So I'm not mad that I'm out of this trade. I'm actually happy, because I followed my rules and I managed it, right? So at the end of the day, I'm gonna follow my rules whether I'm right or wrong. So. Like I'm telling you guys, if you guys act like a robot, where you take your setups every time, and you have no emotion during the trade, and you always manage your risk, I promise you guys will be on top. So it was a nasty rejection, right? And now we're under the 15-minute SMA. But to be honest, I think price is just gonna push up. I think we're gonna break all these levels tonight, just with this candle's pushes. But we also pretty much missed. Remember one of my rules? I actually didn't follow my rules on this trade at all. So take notes of that, guys. Don't do what I just did, right? I had a complete FOMO in this trade due to the fact that we had all this bullish momentum. So don't ever do what I just did. But like I said, I can't hide shit from you guys, so you guys see it here live. And I'm sure this happens to a lot of people too, right? But even when I didn't follow my rules, I still managed my trade, right? I'm not gonna fucking hold my drawdown. Let's say if price would have kept going, right? I know to get out for sure once this wick is broken. Once this wick is broken, I no longer want to be in my trade because we're rejecting this 50 SMA and now we're breaking under these levels to maybe come back, retest this level to continue down. So but I feel like market structure is breaking though. But this is such a low time frame that it's not even a thing. You get me? That's why you find your trends on your bigger time frames, and then you look for support and resistance on. But to be honest, this 4-hour really looks like it wants to engulf. If we can break these highs, dude, I think we're just gonna fly up, right? Small loss, not too shabby. We're still up for the day, bro. I think those trades that I caught earlier kind of put me off my edge, right? Of staying patient and stuff. I definitely didn't follow my rules tonight. But if you check my losses, man, they're so fucking little. It's not even funny. Like this was like a 6 pip stop, 6 pip loss. Reed, man, how many pips did I lose on this trade? When did I get out? Like right here? I do like this though. This is nice. And if you look at the 30-minute, this bullish engulfing is so nice right here. But yeah. You see it's rejecting now. And dude, to be honest, I kind of manage my risk better here, um like on the stream, so I don't you managed it well though, but to be honest, the ranging was bad. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like the risk to reward you're saying? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. But it's okay. I got FOMO on that one. But I'm not gonna hide it. I'm gonna fucking keep saying it because, bro, that's what's gonna make me better on the next one. You know? So whenever you guys make a mistake like that, make sure that you guys always reflect on it, right? And hold yourself accountable. You know, next time I'm not gonna take a stupid ass entry like that. You know, although I lost, I actually cut my full position read, man. I'm not in that trade any longer. Like I literally held a 5 pip stop loss, like 6 pips. Here, let's see. 5 pips. So now what is price doing, right? It's creating a higher high, right? And now this is the higher high. So we could maybe come back and really retrace. Not this. This is not a retracement, but we could really come back and retrace, like maybe 50% of the move, right? Something like this. And maybe catch like a dragon bag, because I do feel like we're just gonna go bullish this week, right? Because if I feel like we made our weekly lows, right? So I do feel like we made our weekly lows, and now we're just gonna push up. You get me? Because we only had this small candle, and now price is rejecting this previous level on the weekly. Maybe looking to create some support here, right? So if this weekly comes bullish here, that'd be amazing for us, right? That's an entry in and of itself. You take an entry, like once that candle goes bullish, you're probably gonna win that trade if you're swinging it. Just have a right stop loss. As soon as that weekly goes bullish, set your stop loss. Set your fucking trade low key. Let's see. Where is that level actually? We're at that level. So it turns out that the weekly doesn't want to go bullish, right? So we don't want to go bullish due to the fact that this is our bullish mark and we've rejected it to create that small wick. So we need the weekly here to go bullish, and that'll give us our confirmation, or the daily, right? Because the daily is the same candle as the weekly. We're in the first day of the week. But yeah, I definitely took way too many trades tonight. Number one, I got FOMO on GU, closed during drawdown, and it's in profit. Yep, that's the way it goes, brother. That's what happens when you manage your risk, but always manage your risk, you know. Like, dude, like I said, bro, like, if you don't manage your risk and keep your losses small, you can win all day and you'll still come out losing, because you'll let those losers be very big that wipe out all your gains from 2 days ago, right? Psychology. I think GU is just gonna bust and fly, bro. I really like this trade on GU low key, because we didn't create a top wick on this 15 minutes, so I do feel like price is gonna reject and go, but I'm not taking any more trades. Like, that's a setup I see, so I will put maybe a buy stop right here, and we'll see if price hits that level. If it hits it, great, we're not in it, but I do trust this setup right here. I think this is a nice trade if we could break these highs. This is what I was waiting for on GU. If you guys go back in the Telegram and check it out, I had my buys above area right over here. But you said you were in on GU. Oh, nice, bro. Reed, man, you see what the fuck I mean, bro? You're on your shit, dog. You caught this GU trade, right? Or which one? Bro, low-key, my spreads on this shit is fucking amazing. So yeah, I do feel like GU might go long here, boys. No, I got scared and closed, haha. Yeah, don't worry, bro. We'll be here if maybe it can break these highs. That'll give us our confirmation that it wants to continue up and it's gonna hold this level, right? So, or we get fucked like we just did on EJ, but I think EJ might be going into profit now. Yep. So you see, price keeps bouncing off that area. I don't like that at all. At all. But I am bullish on the night, so I think we're just gonna break this, bro. And once we break this, this blue SMA and this red SMA are gonna cross aggressively and give us that cross that we like to just continue up and maybe touch these highs up here. Right? So that's something to keep in mind if I do get off here, like early. I'm not gonna get off right now, but that's something to keep in mind. I'm just addicted to the charts today's, boys. I don't usually stay up this late, like at least on the stream. But I like this setup. EJ is just fucking in the middle of this range. Sorry, boys. Thought my shit died. We need a break above here. If we can break this level that's not even visible, right? If we could break this right here. If we could break this level right here, so right here, this is pretty much what we're doing, right? We have this previous support. Right, so now we're broke out of this level. We rejected this previous support, and now we're breaking above this previous support, rejecting it, right? So now we're turning bullish to maybe break this 50 SMA to continue up to our original TP1. Or we're gonna come back down. We're gonna form some real candle support, right? Meaning candles are gonna close and they're gonna actually be down here for a while before it breaks these highs. But what I'm seeing is maybe this is happening. I have a lot going on my fucking chart right now. Let me clear this shit up for you guys. Alright, so another candle patterns that can be happening, I love trading these, is a head, right? And then the shoulder's gonna come to push price up. But we gotta wait and see. Yeah, price action on the 5 minutes telling me that this is gonna come down. Price can also be waiting for this 8 SMA to catch up, and then like we tap it and then just bounce off of it. So yeah, those are a couple things that can happen. If we could reject this to then push price up, that'd be nice. But I don't know why I really want to see the price go up. To be honest, everything's telling me price is just gonna continue down, or it's super bearish. And this weekly doesn't want to go bullish, so that tells you a lot. We are rejecting this area though, but I'm not a swing trader. You see, like once one candle weekly goes bullish, look at GJ. I feel like GJ really wants to go bullish and just finish correcting this at least. And remember, when I send like my analysis and shit, bro, you could literally just put a fucking buy stops and sell stops at those levels. Because yeah, our GJ would have gotten stopped out, but our EJ sells would have hit, and then our while our GJ buys were getting stopped out, it would have eventually came down. Look, I'm gonna show you what we saw. Right? So we got stopped. We would have gotten stopped out if we would have taken the longs right here, right? So let's say you would have taken that, right? Just because you had your buy stops set right here, you would have managed your trade because you know how to manage your risk, right? You would have fucking gotten out once this candle started breaking these lows right here, these highs right here. Once it started breaking there, you would have managed your risk here, and then been out of your trade, and then your sell stops would have hit, and you would have caught this many pips, right? And then while this is hitting, your EJ sells that I called, because since the buy stop never got hit up here, the buy stops never got hit up there, you would have just caught this many pips. No, not that many, sorry. This right here was our sell stop right here. You would have caught 55 pips plus 71 pips plus minus 10 pips. You get what I'm saying? So you would have been up like 100 pips. Just by having the sell stops and buy stops set at the levels. Even though we would lose one, it's set up in a way that, like, even if we lose our buy stop, we will win our sell stop just because that buy stop was a fake out, and then price is just gonna melt from there, right? So this 5 minute needs to break these highs if it's gonna go bullish. But to be honest, I don't like anything up here, bro. Don't take anything in this range. This is a no trade range that we just got back into. This was the no trade range from earlier that I had drawn out. So let's not trade this range. Another rule I broke, right? So it's okay. We'll wait for something. You know what would be nice, Reedman? This would be nice. Something like that, bro. To maybe come up and touch these highs. Right? Because we retested this area. Rejecting it. Price needs to break this 50 SMA. But once price does, that means that these SMAs are going to aggressively cross. And that's when you get those big impulses, right? So this can either mean bearish, right? Just because we keep tapping and rejecting. Or this can mean long because this is getting ready to really cross over, right? So we just have to be very patient with this and go from there. But we're looking clean, boys. Clean. It looks like my buy stop. Look, I would be in profit right now. Remember, our entry was right here. So I wouldn't have lost 5 pips, and I would have been in profit right now. But am I mad? No. Multiple reasons why I'm not mad. I manage my risk correctly, like I should every trade, even if I dude, price didn't go into profit, right? So we're not gonna get that impulse we want. Like if we would have been our trade where we wanted it, which would have been a break of this level here, right? What the fuck is this? It would have been a break of these lows right here, meaning we're gonna come up and we might retest this area, but we will hit our TP1 before that even happens, right? So that's the idea behind every trade, right? So this would have been a nice trade. Once it broke these highs above here, would have been nice, right? Because this previous support, previous resistance, you could have taken these buys right here, which is kind of the same buys that you took on gbpUSD, right? When it broke these highs up here. So, like you see, if you would have just had your buy stop right here, once you know that these highs get broken, you could just hit your 10 pips like that, man, and you don't even have to be out in the charts. Like, my buy stops usually smack. Not even gonna lie. Like I said before also, bro, like, even if you lose one buy stop, there's a sell stop there ready to catch you. Unless price is ranging and like a very ugly range where it's breaking out, it's doing a lot of fake outs and stuff, like that's when we would get fucked, right? But as long as you manage your risk, you'll be fine. Close my GJ 27 pips. Beautiful. Oh no, that's the same trade you took on GJ, not GU, sorry. GU was nice though. Look at that. GU is gonna fly for us. Could this continue flying or what? Seems to be very ugly right now, bro. Now we broke these highs, right? But are we gonna close above it? That's what I'm waiting for. I want to see if maybe price can break above this area. Not bad for a Monday. Yeah, I probably shouldn't even be trading it. Dude, I literally took like 6 trades today, bro. On some crazy shit. like 5 trades, 4 trades. And look, EJ's gonna melt. Everything's just gonna melt here. It's reverse the clock, boys. I'm probably gonna call it a night, bro. We already missed the push. We're probably gonna have to wait. It's gonna probably range here. Wait for New York. And it's probably gonna just completely obliterate the stop loss I had, which is right here. And GU would have just came up here. It's probably gonna stop this out too if we would have taken it. Good thing we didn't overtrade today, boys. We would have gotten clapped like 3 times. I would have gotten clapped. I got clapped on this one actually, and then we would have gotten clapped on this one too. At least it seems like it. So good thing we put our psychological positions there so that we don't overtrade. Yeah. Reed, man, we gotta chill, brother. We think we can win them all. But that's good though that you're taking like every setup that you see, right? Because those are your setups. So, and from the setups you've been taking, bro, it seems like you've been trading kind of a lot like Wixon lifestyle, like me, kind of. Is that true, or have you been using like Fibonacci's and shit like that? I kind of just use Fibonacci's off for like more of like a confluence. I don't really trade based off of the Fibonacci. Like if I would have seen this entry, I would have not liked it because price had this whole bearish candle, right? It had this whole bearish candle, but it would have been clean. We should have taken our buy stops above here. Oh, we did. This was our buy stops. I thought this was GJ for a second. Yeah, bro, our buys above here was so nice, so clean, bro. Next time we know that when price is acting like it's gonna break out and it's having this much trouble and it's creating higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames, we need to be able to fucking take this setup, right? Because I didn't take this setup tonight, and that was the banger for the night, right? We would have caught 64 pips. But the reason why I wasn't patient tonight is because of these wins that we had earlier, right? These wins, this win right here, and GJ win, right? So that's why I wasn't patient. I was kind of getting greedy. I shouldn't even have been trading. But, you know, like sitting here looking at the charts, you know, I'm actually calling trades and shit. Like I don't want to call them and then like me not be in it, you know? Although I will manage the risk for you guys, but like it's kind of hard. Honestly, more of a break and retest with multiple confluence, but if I see a clean trend, I take Fibonacci's all the time. Yep. Yeah, good shit, bro. Fibonacci's only work on a clear trend. But every strategy works on a clear trend, right? Because you kind of just have to get the right entry. As long as you have the right entry, you'll catch your pips. So like whenever you see like price really, dude, like, but nothing's really like this is trending down for sure. But like, dude, the part like it's summer, man. Like we should have been, dude, like this is how summer months usually look, or like this. So you see, like right here. Let's see. I want to go to a bearish trend. Bro, is that, to be honest, GJ doesn't even trend, bro. GJ kind of just fucking does whatever it wants until it goes, right? Because when it goes, it really goes, bro. So, but this was a nice trend, right? This uptrend was nice as fuck. Me and Duncan murdered this trend. Killed this trend, bro. We were only taking buys for like 2 weeks straight. Only buys off this trend. And dude, we didn't lose. I went 8 trading days without losing. Without one loss, bro. I made like 16K. Like in the 2 weeks. But then we started, but no, the problem with that was that we started taking sells. Like we kept taking buys as soon as it started like kind of fucking up, you know. You know, like right here, we might have taken a buy like right here, you know, we would have taken like a buy right here, and that kind of ate away my profits. because I was thinking we were just gonna keep creating higher highs and higher lows, right? I remember I took this setup right here, and I caught it like maybe right here, and I got fucked. Can you explain the market cycles when they go slow, fast, have a nice trends, etc., depending on the month we're in? Alright, well, usually, December moves cleanest, right? Like winter months, it moves so nice here. Like you see, it's just a nice trend up. But then you see when we start summer, like shit gets kind of very, like price action gets very ugly. Um, but dude, like you see, like look at this. This is summer right here. Price trends. Like this was a nice trend, right? I guess it doesn't really matter what month we're in, but we could see more choppiness throughout our summer months. You see how this is more choppy than this kind of? Wait, than this. You know, like kind of this kind of just rides the whole trend. This one kind of breaks trends and shit. But I don't think it matters in the point that oh, it's fucking June, we can't trade, or like it's July, bro, we can't fucking trade. Nah, bro, we can fucking trade, you know? Like as long as you take the setups that you normally take, then you should be profitable, right? Because we do have a profitable strategy. But it doesn't really matter like what month we're in or something like that. I don't think it goes that deep, like it's certain months, but there are certain months that are going slower, like this month, these months that we're in right now should be going slow, but dude, we literally moved in 1 week. I believe we moved like almost 300 pips already, right? Like look at this. In 3 weeks, we've moved 450 pips, right? So let's compare this 3 week push. Like this was fucking crazy, dude. If you like, this was the trend that we caught, that we were just taking buys on. But like you see, so we're moving pretty fast for this month, but we could just be creating like a head and shoulders on the weekly to maybe correct this whole move. But it's all gonna follow the dollar, right? The dollar, if the dollar melts, everything fucking pushes, and if the dollar flies, everything melts. That's usually the way it goes. So you can use that to trade too, right? So if you're trading GU, you can trade GU based off the dollar, right? You could say, okay, double bottom on GU, right? I mean, this is the weekly. We wouldn't trade this, but like double bottom on GU. Let's fucking take buys, right? But you see, like you can also. So let's say this right here. Let's say you mark up your zones like you should be doing. Like I do pre-market analysis before I go live to make sure I have like I'm aware about where all my zones are and stuff. I might not draw them out because I remove all drawings when I get here, so I can show you guys exactly how I do it. But pretty much, like you can take your setups like this, right? So you see the weeklies here, right? And now let's go to the replay mode, right? Let's look how price moves. So now we know that this is a previous weekly rejection area. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go down to our daily, and we're gonna see how we can make this a stronger area. So once we see that price is coming, bouncing off of our support, right? We're gonna draw another zone right here, and that'll be our daily zone, right? It's a daily zone. So maybe we'll make this like just making it darker, right? So then we go to the 4 hour, and we see, okay, the 4 hour is also bouncing off this level right here that we used to have, right? So once you start using all time frames in your favor, and you start doing something like this, where you're drawing out all your levels on all your time frames and seeing which one is stronger and which one's not, you're gonna start narrowing where your entry should be, right? So that's what you guys should be doing, and then using all these time frames in confluence with like the entry you're trying to get off of. Correct? Can you explain the market cycles? When GJ was at 149 and started entering, yeah, we ate off that. Yeah, no cap. Yeah, but you see, like the weekly's having trouble going bullish, so that scares me for every trade that we took today, right? All those longs that we took. But GU seems to want to go. So now, what I was trying to say of GU, right? You can literally trade GU off the DXY, right? So we're looking for longs on GU, so we need the DXY to melt, right? So once the DXY actually decides to push and actually give us this breakout that we're looking for, we could see these levels down here, or maybe a retest of this level, right? And then that can easily push, if price does come down here, that can easily push GU 10 20 pips. So that's why when you're trading the US dollar pairs, bro, you guys gotta be watching this shit, cause dude, this shit's honestly fucked. It's honestly fucked. Like, the DXY is the most manipulated currency in the world. Manipulated in the way that the big banks want it to do whatever they want it to do, right? So it really doesn't, dude. Like, you see insane, crazy pushes. Like, in back when Donald Trump was president, when he would speak, bro. When he would speak, I remember price would just go like up and down and up, or it would go like up while he's talking, and as soon as the press conference over, it'll just come down completely. So you see what I mean? Like, GBP USD is going up. So what does that tell us? That the DXY is actually doing what we want it to do. Bro, you know how to switch classic account to pro account with Elite Capital? Dude, just email them, bro. I don't use Elite Capital. I use FX Capital Live, I think it is called, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can check it in my description, bro. My code's there, so, and I get a little something something for that if you guys sign up and use my code. But bro, you know how to switch classic account to pro account? Bro, you just gotta email them. I'm not sure if they will do it. I know that FX Capital does, cause I asked them today and they told me that I can, so that they're gonna switch it for me and they'll send me a new account with all that shit. Cause I'm trying to do a $50 to $1,000 challenge for you guys. So, and I just deposited the money, and I'm gonna post it on YouTube and shit how that goes and shit. Even if I blow it, I'm gonna fucking post it. I don't care about my losses. You know the fucking vibes. Yeah. Alright, good, bro. Yeah, dude, you just gotta just email them, bro. Well, I emailed them today and they got back to me pretty quick. But what's your name, you sub dog? I think you texted me, no? You're like Kevin or some shit, no? Reed, man, what do you think GBP USD gonna do? What leverage? I had it at 1 to 100, bro, so it only let me risk like literally $7 per trade. How the fuck am I gonna flip the account like that? I'm trying to throw at the beginning. I'm literally gonna risk like fucking 25% of the account in every trade. But I will be looking for good RRs, meaning like 40 pip moves, 50 pip moves. That way I can, let's say I risk, it's a $50 account, so I'll risk like $10 per trade. If I catch a 40 pip move, I'll be up 40 bucks. Or blow the account, right? You're really touching. I flipped $50 to $150 and lost it all because of greed and over leveraging. Yeah, I get you, bro. Cause once you go on a streak like that, you think you're the shit, and you kind of go crazy. At least for me. Facts. I'm gonna get some water, boys. I'm a little bored, dude. Not even in front. I'm gonna call, let's see. Yeah, the fact that this position hasn't gotten stopped out, this psychological trade I put up here, it's like fucking really doesn't want to get stopped out. I low-key think GBP USD is literally waiting for the 8 SMA to continue up. Where would we even put our fucking stop loss, bro? We can create some support maybe right here. Bum bum bum. Who's gonna join me? Cause I'm fucking bored as fuck. What's up, Reedman? You got a Discord? Oh look, my boy Lust is up. Let's see what's up with him. He just had a baby today, bro. Let's see if he answers though. I'm gonna add JP. Reedman, if you wanna join, let me know. Send your Discord in the chat, like the numbers in it. Or can you add me actually? Cause shit's always a bitch. Paste. Add me and then I'll add you back cause I fucking suck at this shit. What's up with FX all day, bro? Is he sleeping? This motherfucker's sleeping. Look, our trader will hit. It's gonna hit. Nobody answers me, Reed, man. At least I got you, buddy. What I want to know is that how come Euro JPY is flying? No, wait. And no, GBPUSD is flying and Euro isn't. I think it's because the DXY is melting. Yep, DXY is melting. And it's gonna give us our 10 pips just like I said. Let's see. My Discord's fucking up. Give me 1 second, Reman, cause my shit's fucking up. Friends. Pending. Are you BK? I hope you're BK, bro. Cause if you're not BK, then dude, we're gonna get fucked. I'm calling some random ass motherfucker at 5. Let's see. DXY got clean candles to the left hand side to melt. Yeah, we could see some troubles doing all that though, cause it's a DXY. DXY is a fucking little bitch. Yep. These candles did the 15-minute. Yeah. Yeah, we're reaching this previous level of support, so price could come up and maybe retest this to continue down, or price can come up and just reject the same way it did right here and to continue up. So there's 3 possibilities that could happen. Yo. Hold up, I don't think I hear you. Yo. Wait, is it mine? Could it be me? Oh wait, I think it is me.
No,
Oh,
I
I hear you
can
now.
still hear you.
What's up, gang? Sorry I don't
it's
have
good,
my
man.
camera on, dude. I just fucking I'm on the stream and shit. Nothing much, bro. Just
Nah, it's all
vibing it.
good.
You've been killing it, bro. And you gotta take your signals and shit.
Nah. I was, what's it called, break even for last week.
You break even? Break even's better than losing.
Yeah, for last week I was break even.
Yeah,
hell yeah, man. Yeah.
But how long have you been
And
trading
shit
for, bro?
GU?
Wait, low-key, I think your
Honestly,
mic is going crazy.
No, shit. Yeah, is it better now?
Yeah, it's. Oh, you almost had it. Yeah, it's.
Like what about now?
No, I think it's fucked. It's like static in the background. I don't know why. But it's
yeah, I got
alright.
like those like little cheap ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then shit, I've been like trading for like 3 years, but then like I just like started taking it seriously like last like in 2020 July. You know what I mean?
Yeah, nice. That's like around the same time.
Buying a course.
Yeah.
Back testing, like all that.
Nice. Yeah, I started around the same time, bro, more or less. A little later, like in August, October, like September 1st.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's not that bad.
No, sir. But dude,
Called for GU.
yeah, what do you think, Angie?
Go ahead. For I feel like it's gonna go like what's called bullish, because for the DXY, on the left hand side there's like just the clean candles for it to go down.
Yeah, I could feel that
And
whole
then
range.
Yeah, it's just CAD, Euro. Yeah, there's no news. Check on Forex Live.
If we could get some news, we got news at around 7:45, 8 o'clock, and then 9 o'clock we have dollar news. But I don't think it's any crazy news.
Yeah, for Tuesday, right?
Let me check. Yeah, we don't have any red folder news. I mean,
Right, because
at around 10:15 we have Euro news, where the president's speaking. Oh, we have Okay, okay. No,
yeah,
this isn't that crazy. We might be good, bro. We're good until like 3 o'clock.
yeah. I've been like low-key trying to stay away from news, but shit,
Yeah,
there's just
yeah,
like
yeah.
too many good opportunities. So like
Yeah. And GU moves clean, bro.
it does like move clean, but like it's kind of slow compared to DJ.
Yeah.
From like what I've seen.
Yeah.
But then yeah, still moves clean.
Wait, Reedman, are you
Just
using like an
location
actual
wise.
mic, or are you using like something else?
No, you know like those like little headphones like with the like built-in mic.
Oh yeah, yeah, dude, take that shit off, bro.
Oh yeah. Let me try like my wireless ones for a sec.
Yeah, maybe that works better. Alright, we're already better, so let's see.
Is it better now?
Hell yeah. Much better now, brother.
Yeah, there we go.
Wireless way, baby.
Yeah.
We're in the future now, boys. So look, it did that retest that we wanted, right? Right over here. That was the retest we wanted. And now we can probably make price go up. I think price can at least maybe come up and touch
Yeah, just
380, 580.
yeah, I had mine at 570.
Yeah, hold up.
Alright.
Let me meet the
And
chat.
then possibly if you get that New York push.
Look, and GJ seems like it wants to go, so that means
If you
that
get
the
that New
GBP is getting a little stronger. We need the DXY to move with GBP getting stronger, right? So the opposite. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Holy shit, Ethereum's at 2020, bro.
That mini. Bro, I'm telling you, buy XRP, man.
Nah, I'm not gonna buy more
telling you.
XRP. Bro, I'm telling you, dude,
How
I
much
have
do
a
you have
friend
right now?
that's delusional on XRP, bro. So I kinda don't wanna buy.
Like, you may sound crazy, but like, how much do you have right now?
I have none right now. I'm in cash,
I'm
bro.
telling you, because what's called the
I'd be
because
losing.
like the price is gonna dip back to like 30 cents.
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting to buy. I'll
Have you
buy
heard
again when I see it at like 30 cents, something like that. That's when I'll start buying. Cause that's when I've made all my money, right? So like
Yeah,
I
'cause
used to buy. Oh look, it's GBP. Oh, USD's pumping here. Hold up, let me mute the fucking.
for GU, right? Yeah, it's a little bit delayed. Yeah, I took a buy at 390 for. No, there's clean range for on the 30-minute. There's clean range to the left. Yeah.
Dun,
Mm,
dun, dun, dun.
like stick to like calling maybe like 3 to 4 trades.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then, yeah, I was gonna say, have you heard of like Tory K? Like the guy that's like
Wait, what? What's his name?
Tory K. Like he runs innovation markets.
Innovation Markets.
You know?
Oh, hold up. Let me add Pablo
Wait,
to
let
the
me send
chat.
it to you. gonna send it to you on Instagram.
Pablo's here. Pablo's here. Let's hope. Hopefully he joins, bro. But he's been leaving us for his own gang. What up, gang? Alright, I think the stream is actually lagging now. What's up, my G?
What's up, bro?
How's everything?
Everything's straight, man. Can't complain.
I like that. I like that.
Can't complain, bro.
You in on anything right now?
Everything good with y'all? Nah, I'm just surveying the markets right now. And,
You just woke up?
a lot of... Nah, so I'm just surveying the markets. I've been up for probably about like an hour or some change.
Yeah, bro. We had a nice push on EJ tonight. You've been sticking to USD CAD though, right?
Yeah, I don't even trade EJ no more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How come, bro? It's been moving so clean.
UCAD actually moves a lot cleaner for me and my style.
Cause you're swinging more now, right?
Yeah, I'm swinging more, and
yeah, you can't really swing EJ
trade,
from what I've seen.
Yeah, it's more like small, you know what I'm saying, like a little more than scout plays, but like, yeah. But me and my homies have actually created like a little system around UCAD and Kiwi dollar and the DXY. So
do you want to teach it to us?
Just yeah, pretty much, man. Whenever UCAD is buying, Kiwi dollar is selling because of how the two correlate with, you know what I'm saying, the dollar. So whenever the dollar pushes UCAD, it'll melt Kiwi dollar, and same, you know, reverse if CAD is selling. 9 times out of 10, Kiwi dollar is flying, and so we just wait around to actually get a clear move, and then from that point, man, it's just, you know,
yeah,
it is what it is. Small risk, calculated risk, and
so you're using like correlation based.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
I want EJ to pump right now, though, bro.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit too high. I feel like we're at the higher highs, and now it's gonna make a lower, higher low, right? That's what, at least that's from what I see. Or a higher low, sorry. What do you think?
Well, we just got a new 4-hour in. From what I see on my 4-hour chart, if the support holds where it's at, then I can see her pushing up still to actually take out the session, the Asian session highs from previous Asian session just now. So, you know, if I was to trade EJ, if I was gonna buy EJ, I'd have to wait for a break and retest of the Asian session high, and from that point, you know, probably look to go long to about what is this, 131, 370.
Reed, man, this is literally the king of EJ, so fucking listen to him and take notes.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I used to definitely smash EJ a lot.
We used to take the same setups, remember that shit?
Exactly, bro. For like
the
3-4 weeks.
That shit was crazy. I can never leave EJ, bro. I realized that when I was trying to trade gold, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, bro, I kept getting clapped on gold, bro. And then I said, fuck that, bro. I literally don't even have gold on my shit anymore. Because, dude, that shit literally almost blew my account. But, dude, I'm super close to passing the Forex fund shit. I only need like 2%. 2%, bro. So.
Oh, yeah. You'll knock that out easy.
I was down, though. I was down earlier today, bro. Did you see the plays I caught? On my Telegram?
I went back and seen them on YouTube. I seen them on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, no, but today was a little fucked. On YouTube, not even gonna lie. We caught 40 pips on EJ. Look, this was our entry right here on EJ. We're up 50 pips right now. But I scaled in right here. Where we're at.
Hey, for some reason, I can't see your chart. It's got like that little spinning box joint.
No, yeah, I'm not sharing it. I thought you were looking at the YouTube. But either way, it's fucking delayed.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hold up, I got you. Um. Oh, EJ's going for me now too. Let's fucking go.
Yeah. I was about to say, as long as that 4-hour support holds, man, you should be straight.
These could be the 4-hour highs. But we've
Yeah,
had
it's
a lot
approaching
of.
that some 4-hour highs. I definitely see that.
So we took this trade right here. Yeah, you see is that my shit starts fucking lagging hard as fuck. But it's alright, we'll just get through this quick. So this was our trade right here. We took the buys above this breakout right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we missed this little move right here where we could have scaled in to maybe once we saw that price would have broken over this level. That could have been another clean trade, right? Because we could feel the top of this range now being in this range. So we missed that move. We took a loss, I believe, on GBP USD. We took a small loss right here, and then I re-entered. EJ, we took a loss right here. Wait, we didn't take a loss on EJ today. Oh yeah, I did. I took a small loss though, because I've been trying to scale in, bro, like an idiot, you know? When I should just be letting
I
my
feel
shit run. It's because I closed 9 lots on this, 20 pips in.
you. Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to hold this one lot and I'm trying to add on to the one lot. You get me?
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you.
I'm just trying to run this whole fucking trend up, but it hasn't been really moving cleanly as soon as I got in. So I kind of been like getting out a little early, you know, just because I see a red candle and shit. But the only reason why is because I don't want to risk the profits I made on this.
Oh, that's understandable, dog. You want to get the money back.
Yeah, definitely not that. Look, GJ might break out here and go long, boys. This might be a clean trade to fill at least this range up here. Especially with the bullish momentum that we've been having, we could see this long. Just wait for a candle closure, maybe a little retest, and then enter. But these were the buys I was looking for earlier on in the day. But it does seem like a little bit of a FOMO trade here, just because where the fuck are you gonna put your stop loss? Where would you put your stop loss on GJ, brother?
That's a good question. I haven't looked at that pair in months. Let me see what I see.
I want G to run, bro. Run like the wind. Alright, yo, I'm gonna close my stream because my shit lags dumb hard for some reason. Anybody in the chat? Yeah, I appreciate you showing up to the streams though, bro.
Oh, no doubt, man. No doubt. I'm about to see what I got some of the homies on the A team on, so we'll see what they on. Cause I probably won't make too many moves today. I will probably just survey the markets and see what sets up for tomorrow.
Am I in that chat?
You should be. Yeah, you should be.
Shit, I might hop on there too.
Yeah.
I get a little bored
sure.
here, bro. No cap.
Trust me, dog. Trust me, bro. This is when you alone.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah. But what? You're gonna go over there right now?
Yeah. I'm about to. I'm gonna send you the what you call it.
The link.
Yeah.
All right, dale, bro. I'll see you there then. Just let me know.
All right. I got you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Peace. It's getting a little late here for me, Reed, man. Reed, man, you still there? I don't really hear you. If you are talking. I really want this fucking EJ to fucking just obliterate up. So anyone who's in the chat right now? I have 2 people here, but I have no clue who it is. Can you hear me? No, I don't hear you on Discord, you're saying? I don't hear you, brother. Ah, fuck. Where's GU gonna go? I think GU's gonna fucking pump. I need to get a new mic. Yeah, probably, bro. Just get one tomorrow and then we'll talk tomorrow, bro, if you want. I'll be here every night. You know the fucking vibes, bro. And I know you're always in the chat. I know it gets a little boring in the chat. And anyone in the chat right now, I could literally... You guys can fucking hop on too if you guys just drop your Discord. GU's really running though. Running. Kinda wish I was in GJ. We would've caught 100 pips. GJ. Bro, but we're up as fuck tonight, dude. Up as fuck. No cap. So we caught 100, we caught 50, 64 plus 57, 64 plus 57 plus, it may be a minus 7 pips on a GU loss, minus 7 pips on a GU loss, I believe minus 5 pips on a gbpjpy loss, minus 5 pips on a gbpjpy loss. We're at 109 pips plus 50 pips on EJ, and it's still actually running, so we're up almost 60 pips on EJ plus 10. So we're up 169 pips, boys. I appreciate all you guys who showed up. I'm gonna call it a night here with 165 pips in my account. So I am not upset at that I overtraded tonight, just because I did like the setups that we did take. But again, we're gonna see what price can do tomorrow. Maybe we can retest this level, and to continue up, right? So GJ, I actually called GJ longs. I hope somebody at least caught that. I said EJ longs could, if it could break this area, it's gonna fly, and look at what it's doing. I think we would have caught our 10 pips already. I also did have this buys above area right here, so you guys should have seen that and known to get in the trade. Um, yeah, so that entry I called would have hit 10 pips already, so ETP seems smashed from 3, 1, 2, 2. Yep, yes sir. Good shit, brother. Good shit, Kevin. You're a beast. You see, bro, I like people that come on these fucking charts, bro, and they don't need their fucking hands handed to them. They're catching trades left and fucking right and making this shit fucking happen. So that's what I like to see, boys. And I appreciate you guys all coming out here. Um, all the homies that came out here. Pablo, thank you, man. Everyone, bro. I appreciate all of them. And I think GU, I'm going to leave a one lot runner now. I think GU might hit almost 60 pips. And that's when I'm going to have my TP actually set right there. Because I will be happy. And I will send an update of that trade tomorrow. Let's close that. Let's leave stop loss and take profit. So 38376 was my entry. 38376. And our TP will be 3900. Guys, if you guys want to enter on this GU trade also, this could be a nice setup. So if price does close around these highs that it's at right now, please, please, please take the buys. Take the buys above these candle highs. This candle high, if it does break its own high, it's gonna fucking fly, dude. So I need you guys to keep that in mind and don't slip on that trade. That trade will be beautiful. If I wasn't in it already, I would definitely take that trade. So let's see, EJ. We're gonna go to stop loss to break even. We're in a little one lot. 802, 802. 802. 20 pips on that one. So we're up 70 pips on plus 179 pips on the day. I really want to see if GJ fucking flies, bro. GU, man, I really want this shit to correct this whole fucking move, bro, and that shit will be amazing. EJ. EJ, I wanted to correct the whole move. Sorry, not GJ. GU. Alright, so we need this candle to close inside of this range. If this candle does close inside of this range, we will be longs. I'm gonna join these guys' calls, so I actually might stay here a little longer.
What is Wicked's at? So 9 times out of 10. What up, my boy?
What up, gang?
Man, chillin', man.
How you guys liking this GU trade, bro? This GU longs right now. It's breaking previous support. If it could close above, maybe give us a little retest. What do you think?
Man, we don't even trade a pound.
Yeah, actually.
We don't even trade it. I haven't looked at any pound, nothing. And oh my god, see, this is why I don't trade it. Like,
It's just pumping, right? No retest, no nothing, this shit. I'm happy I'm in it though, and I'm also in on EJ, Pablo. I have a little one lot.
She's still pushing.
Yeah, bro, we're up 70 pips. Dude, you know how many pips I called tonight, even with including all the losses? Cause dude, I kept my losses dumb small tonight, Pablo. I literally took a -5 pip loss on GU. I took a -7 pip loss on EJ earlier, and I caught over. Look, the Telegram went crazy, bro. I literally caught 179 pips. Isn't that fucking crazy? Just tonight.
Yeah,
I caught.
bro.
Look, I caught EJ shorts. That pump it had at around 12 or 10, some shit like that. I don't even know. I literally set and forget that shit, dude. I set that one, I forget it. I wake up and all my levels were smashed. And then I caught the longs right after that pump. I caught the longs for 70 pips. And then I also called the GJ sells for 64 pips earlier. Crazy night, bro. Crazy fucking night.
Yeah, that's a great way to start the week, dog.
Hell yeah, dude. And I think that if this GU runs to my final take profit, which is up here at 3,900, I'll pass my account, bro.
Big
So
thanks, dog.
wish me luck, brother.
Oh yeah, man. Always, dog. You got it.
And this shit looks like it's a rocket ship. Look at the price action on this shit right now, Pablo. Shit's going crazy.
Yeah, EJ's definitely. EJ's super long.
Yeah, EJ's going crazy too. I'm talking about GU. GU don't stop, brother. I mean, it is a USD pair. That's why I ask you.
Yeah. GU. Yeah, that's because the dollar is melting.
Yep. But if you look at GJ too, bro, what's up with that? Look, I have a theory, bro. What do you think about this? Every time that the dollar melts, everything flies. And when the dollar pops, everything melts. What do you think?
That's honestly how trading is set up, because the dollar is still the world
king, right?
reserves currency.
Yeah.
Right. So that index is really gonna tell like
how the market's
other
doing.
countries are gonna do. You know? That's why when I buy UCAD, when I buy UCAD, my boy K Love and JB, they short Kiwi dollar, because it's just like an inverse correlation of, you know,
Kiwi dollar is Australian dollar, right?
Not New Zealand.
New Zealand. I always get those mixed up, bro. It's not the first time that happens to me. I think
That's
it's
because they're really like side by side.
And yeah, they're like close on the map, right?
They're super close, like literally like probably like 3-4
Yeah,
hours.
New Zealand dollar looks like it wants to pop though, boys. I think we're at a 4-hour level. Yeah, we are at a 4-hour level that we're rejecting. Good pop here. It's at a reversal point. Kiwi dollar. I like this pair. It moves nice, man.
Super smooth, dog.
Yeah. I like this pair. I just feel like the dollar pairs, bro, they're so fucking manipulated, dog.
Shoot, man, them joints be straight to the point with us.
Yeah.
My boy Caleb, what you say?
Yeah, bro. It's a pretty good chart, bro.
Yeah,
Zealand
yeah,
dollar. It works pretty smooth.
yeah. I could tell it respects levels and shit.
Correlates pretty good with UCAT and DXY.
Yep. Just turn your chart upside
What's
down.
the final TP for GU?
Right.
Final take profit will be well, we're gonna try to maybe break this 8 SMA tonight. I'm sorry, bro. I'm literally on a fucking stream and shit. I came here and
Oh, you
raided you
good?
guys, started interrupting you guys and shit. I feel bad, Loki.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah, I think we can hit 3,900 by tonight if we could break this 8 SMA. But then we can correct, if it continues up from there, we can correct this whole move down that we had for 200 pips. That'd be crazy, right? Shit. If we could catch
Yeah, on
200
Monday.
pips on a Monday, right? Yeah, that'd be like a swing setup though. We'll just hold our trade. But bro, I think it's because, what do you guys think of this, bro? Don't you see that when moves are created by the news, that they often get like
Fixed.
filled,
Or,
right? Yeah, they get
right.
filled. So what I'm thinking is that all this dollar pumping makes GU go down. So maybe price can maybe correct the whole move it had just due to the fact that it's only news that pushed that price down, right? No technicals, no nothing. So now the bulls are gonna come back in the game now that the shorts are now already taking profits, right? I don't know if that makes sense.
Nah, I feel you.
But dude, like, I don't even understand the dollar. The dollar went on some fucking shit, bro. It did what Bitcoin was supposed to do.
Well, you know, last week we had our federal interest rate decision.
Yep. And it was what? It was good, right? Or was it bad?
Yeah, sir, it was good.
Yeah, I caught some of that on GU. Some of the longs on that. Or the shorts, my bad. Cause that shit went short as fuck.
Yeah, bro.
I honestly got FOMO and it played out.
That news came in crazy.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, and you caught it right on the move, right?
Yup.
Yeah, I remember the Instagram post.
Yeah. I love those interest rate decision trades, bro, because they just be, especially when the price action matches.
And do
It's
you
straight to the
just
point.
set buy stops and sell stops, or do you have a bias before?
Swear to, nah, y'all always said both. But
Okay.
not to, I have
And
a bias.
how
but
far in
because it-
between, or just outside the range?
Yeah, definitely at structure. Like I'll either have sell stop, you know, near the previous structural 30-minute low, and buy stop above the either 15 or 30-minute high. Because coming into the news, like I like to see how that 30-minute candle is forming. So I'll go into that 15-minute and break it down, see how that 15-minute candle closes. So that way it'll give me enough distance. Or if I need enough distance to place my stops, I can spread them out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because that news is just going to be volatile. It's going to be a rocket. Like the first 5-minute candlestick is just going to appear. It's not even going to form. It's just going to be there. Like as soon as 2 o'clock hits, it's going to be like 2 o'clock in like 3 seconds. So there's going to be a big fat candlestick on the screen. It's not even going to like wick out first. It's just going to be a huge candlestick. And that's just literally what happened. That's how I passed my phase 1 of the verification. I mean the phase 1 of my forex funds. With the pops.
I want to send this trade to the Telegram, but I don't think it's gonna stop. Like the results of it, I'd rather send it only once instead of keep updating it and shit. Pablo, you gotta create a little Telegram, bro. That way you start building like a little community and shit behind you, you know?
Oh yeah, man. We kind of working on something over here. We're just trying to make sure we got mad value.
Yep. I started creating a course, bro.
I see, man. I heard it, bro. Well, that's what the bullish lifestyle was supposed to do from the jump.
Yeah. And now niggas be slacking on me and shit. Like, dude, Duncan hasn't even traded this whole fucking week.
Yeah, I seen. He said he didn't trade at all last week. Pretty much just
Yeah, and he
wanted to.
canceled his signal services and shit. I don't know what's up with that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he's like not doing the mentorship this month. So it's just me, you know. I'm just trying to hold it down.
All I can say is, bro, I've been there to where you can ask Caleb. Doggone, bro, used to be about 7, 8 people in here, man, and then like out of nowhere, bro, it's just me and Caleb.
Yeah. That's how it goes. People, the weak get weaned off.
Yeah,
I'm kidding. Nah, I'm
there's-
kidding. Nah, but I've seen your people. Your people trade good, bro.
Yeah, they come in more towards New York though, but you know, me, you, and
Bro, you gotta get them
run
all
session
together, and then
trainers.
we all have a little stream, and I'll put A team, special guest A team, the whole A team or some shit like that.
Man,
And that way you
see,
guys can teach us exactly your strategy. And usually when I bring guests on, I kind of just let them share the whole time, you know, so that we can learn the way you guys trade and shit.
No doubt, no doubt. Well, we trade the same, bro. Break and retest. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Break and retest, man.
Simple, bro. We gotta keep it simple. That's how we win. No cap.
Bro, that's the only way. I showed my boy K Love the little break and retest joint, man, and from that point, even K Love, and you know what I'm saying. Tell him K Love, break and retest, bro.
Yeah, the break and retest don't play no games, bro. Let me tell you. 179.
Okay, let me see. 4 hours. There's some support down there. Oh yeah, break and retest. UCAD may be coming up to retest the Asian lows.
Dude, today was literally my best day ever, bro.
On a Monday, bro.
Best day ever on a Monday, bro. And I usually do shitty. Remember I used to tell you?
Yeah.
Sundays are my worst days.
Starting out the week bad.
Yeah. That's how it used to be every fucking week. I used to take all my losses on the beginning of the week, and then I would kind of focus up on the end of it. So now maybe if I can fucking focus up throughout the whole week, you know, maybe I can fucking
Smash out some trades, right?
yeah, dude, and not FOMO. And at the end of the day, bro, I shouldn't even be trading on Sundays, right? Like the market's just deciding what it wants to do. Like if you saw today, it melted, but then now we're going long, you know? Like
Right.
so we don't have clear structure on the weekly yet, which makes it hard to guess, or not guess, but you know, make an educated decision on what we're gonna do.
Right. No, I totally agree, man. Cause that's why on Mondays, man, it's still like data collection day. So like
Exactly.
it's gonna be kind of
Choppy.
Right, exactly. Just by default, because it's the first day of the new week, so the candlestick has to make.
And you
weekly
kind of
has to
know,
make
like
its
on Wednesdays,
close.
like if we've been going bullish, you know that weekly's gonna end bullish more times than not, right? So like
Yeah,
on the Monday, you don't even know. You're trying to guess, like, okay, where does the market want to go? You're trying to get your confirmation levels, your levels that are gonna be respected throughout the week, all that shit.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy how
Facts.
simple it is. Bring back FX all day. Oh yeah, dude, I had a low key, guys. I think FX all day is a little cap, but I'm not gonna talk shit. He's 19 years old. He literally had a kid today. Some guy I got on the stream, bro, from Instagram. I kind of
Mm-hmm.
met him, bro. But I don't know. I think his energy was off and shit. He thinks he's the shit. I don't fuck with that. You know, be humble, brother.
Oh yeah, facts.
You're 19.
You know, people get a little kick out of themselves.
Yeah. That's a lot of the reason why like once people start making or at least getting their trades to start hitting and shit. I don't know, bro. They don't give credit where it's due, you know.
Right.
And they
And
think
then
they
they
did it
kinda
all on
young.
themselves and shit, you know, blah blah blah. And then they'll start saying, "Oh, I'm self-taught, motherfucker." I feel like everyone has a somebody who pushed them further, you know, like than where they would be at.
Oh yeah,
Reed
nah.
man, text me on Discord, bro.
Nah, yeah, I think everybody definitely had like either, I ain't gonna say a mentor, but some source of inspiration, like a trader that was like inspirational. You know what I'm saying? That's always been King Sean Lee for me.
Yo, Reed man, check your Discord.
Ah, damn.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
DXY had a 4 hour support. I don't know if anybody's pairs is in retracement mode right now.
No, and Reed man, dude, and also just knowing when like when price isn't gonna go your way, right? Like you're not gonna hold it if everything is telling you that it's gonna go different, right? Right, Pablo? Like let's say you see a trade and it's going good, right? And then all of a sudden it rejects your entry or like it starts coming below your stop loss before below your entry. How would you
Hmm.
manage your trade? Like if everything is telling you it's gonna go opposite, right? You don't just like ignore it, right? You're gonna address that
Oh
and you're
no,
gonna
definitely, yeah. You
yeah.
manage it from there. If you see that price is actually about to like stop you out, first I would have paid attention to where price reversed from, like if it reversed from a critical area on the 4 hour chart or you know what I'm saying, hour chart, something like that. I would be paying attention to where it came from, and then I will be trying to see if I, made sure that I closed off some type of, position and put something in the bag. And then once it actually, if I wasn't already at break even, then from that point, being that I've reduced my position anyway, 9 times out of 10, either I'll close the trade and just wait for, a re-entry on the same move, being that it could be like a higher time frame pullback or whatever. So you still could be right in your bias, but if you see signs of like, all right, this trade may not work out, just go ahead and manage it accordingly, because you don't want to like just do nothing stupid, hoping and wishing, you know what I'm saying? And then next thing you know, you done took a dummy loss for no reason. So anytime I see price off of a technical aspect, you know what I'm saying, do something funny like that. If it's technical, I'm always thinking to like, let me manage it. But if it's just a willy nilly candlestick, it's just, I'll try to hold my guns, but I'm always paying attention to how I manage the trade.
I got clapped last night because I didn't man. I wasn't paying attention to my trade,
Hey, that happens.
and I mean, it was going the direction that I wanted to go.
Right.
Little 0.25% loss ain't shit.
Nothing.
And I'll take that.
I'm telling you, boys, if I show you my losses, bro, on a 10 lot, I literally lost 167 bucks on a losing trade.
Damn, that's not bad.
One pip, bro. I'm telling you, it didn't hold that shit. I was like, hell no, dude. This shit's going the wrong way. And sometimes it does bite me in the ass because I get out a little early. But I'd rather miss the move than fucking hold the drawdown, I feel like. At least in my strategy. It works better for me. And how would you manage your risk? Do you manage your risk or do you just hold your stop loss? Because you guys are swingers, right? So usually you guys have to hold that stop loss.
We really like intraday, and if the move keeps going, then we'll let that play out. But how we look at it is we look at it from an intraday perspective. So seeing where we are on that 4-hour chart, knowing that it's only 2 4-hour candles in the session, seeing where we are on the 4-hour chart kind of gauges our price movements. So that's really how we look at it, man. If the move is worth it, we don't ever, we're always like calculating our risk off of how many pips our stop loss is, because we use buy stops and sell stops. So it gives us time to plan out the trade. You know what I'm saying? We'll leave a little, risk to reward box up just to get planned, and we calculate our risk off of how many pips our stop loss is. So at that point, we can see our risk to reward based off of how many times we're multiplying that risk. And if we're in, it's kind of easy for us to get like 2 to 1s at least, just because of the distance off the 4-hour movement. And the micro chart that we kind of got like a little we chart that micro a little differently than we do like the 4-hour. So we look at session highs and lows in between like individual sessions. So it's all calculated risk. You know what I'm saying? Risk super calculated.
Yeah.
Off of the stop loss though.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah. I think that's the plus advantage side to stop orders, because it gives you time to actually, plan the trade.
And then take the confirmation of the trade instead of just
Exactly.
taking the anticipation. I feel you.
Yeah. We'll stack our confluences on that too.
And the break of the wick and the break of the high is a confluence in itself, in my opinion. I don't know if you saw my trade breakdown, but I literally talked about that.
Yeah, man. Watching that 4-hour momentum, because that's what I was telling K Love. I think I don't know if you can see my chart on it's on Discord though, but you still see it, K Love?
Yeah, I see it.
The screen?
Bruh, I told you, but she literally just
I can still see your screen.
You guys just caught that?
She just melted. Yeah.
Damn, nice, bro.
Yeah, it just melted like right into it, because like I was saying, looking at this zone of rejection here, to me this is really important because it's a micro zone. And London, watching how London pretty much reverses what Asia does, and then also looking at this micro chart here, how we rejected these, saying this 4-hour zone here, the horizontal line, and then there's a daily. I have a daily trend line drawn here, from here to here. I mean, it kept going from even further back, but yeah, that's all I was looking at. That's pretty much how we get our movements. The movements will look super huge because we're holding most of these trades to like the next session, or like a macro target to like somewhere in here where price may have a really big pullback. But and then also, like I said, bro, we really correlate our pairs off the dollar index. So once I seen that this massive sell pressure came in from the 4-hour chart, you know, it was kind of like easy to see this 4-hour level here was broken. You know what I'm saying? And then that, well, back then before it closed, it was like right up here. So just seeing the price action, the fact that that got broken hard, you know what I'm saying? And DXY pushes, you know what I'm saying, far sometimes, and it just hit this little support or little key level right in here. So seeing what we do, break and retest, come down and continue the momentum, or either she'll pull back up from here, like right there. But that's just, you know what I'm saying, UCAD and that dollar index just really strong sometimes. But yeah, bro, yeah, EJ flew.
Yo, bro, I'm
That's what I
telling
was
you, dude.
talking
Look at my. Remember when we were on the other chat? I called GJ longs. Yeah, those longs would have hit 30 pips already.
Yeah, you just had said something about that joint.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I wouldn't have been able to get it to EJ though, because there's no break and retest. It's like a strong break candle.
Yep, the impulse.
Or was it? Yeah, matter of fact, that was the 4-hour candle open.
Yeah. That's probably why I didn't take it, but I did call it, and I'm putting it in my Telegram.
Oh yeah, you definitely called that joint.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro. Like, I usually, whenever I don't take the trades, they usually hit, boys. So. But I did call a shit ton of trades today, bro. I called at least like maybe 6-7 trades, bro. All based off GJ, EJ, or GU.
Fire.
Is that, bro? It did move. It moved very, very clean tonight, bro. Everything was moving very, very clean. I saw my setups from a mile away type shit. And dude, our strategy worked out tonight too. The breakout strategy, right? We could have got the longs, we could have got the tops, all that shit. The shorts. Beautiful night. At least beautiful price action in my eyes.
Yes, sir.
I've been streaming for like fucking 4 hours tonight. Almost 5.
Sheesh.
Dude, and I smoked a blunt with Daniel Savage in the middle of it. Like I left and then that's why I had restarted the stream.
Oh, you smoke with him live, like in person?
Yeah. He literally lives downstairs, and I need.
I'll be forgetting that, man.
Oh shit, y'all live right next to each other?
Yeah, he's literally my neighbor. He literally lives on the first floor in the south building, and I live on the second floor in the north building.
Ah.
But yeah, like I hit up JP cause you know how he's hitting always hitting the cigarettes, the electronic cigarettes or whatever the fuck. I needed one, bro, so I called him and I was like, yo, I'll buy one off you. And then he's like, I'll trade it for some bud. So I was like, shit, I got bud. And then I just brought a little joint and then we smoked it.
That's what's up, dog. Miami boys. That beef ever chill out? They ever chill out with that beef, man?
Yeah, they're just not friends anymore, I guess. I don't really bring it up,
Okay.
dude. I try not to. I don't really know him like that, you know? I know JP since elementary, though. That's why I kind of just call him, and then, like, I always know he's with him, type shit.
Yeah.
But that motherfucker's name is all tainted everywhere, bro.
Who that?
Like, he can't even go on lives anymore. He can't even post on a story because people, they report him.
Who you talking about, Raul?
No, I'm talking about JP.
Oh.
They report every single story post that he makes. So, like, he can't, so they shadow ban him.
For
Damn.
what? Dude didn't really, I ain't never seen that crazy.
Hey, I'm gonna post you on my story. Okay.
Shit was crazy. Like this shit was so crazy. It's like, nigga, you just have this script because you know niggas like me gonna come to breakfast club and let the world know, man. Like, it just, bro, it's really like, I had to look at the nigga who was rolling. He was just showing me like the studio being built, all the stuff in his crib. And I remember just walking through this nigga crib, bro, and at one point, like, I couldn't even.
What's JP's name? John Paul.
I'm one of the niggas, I keep it to myself, bro.
You say what?
I look at this nigga.
No, somebody asked me what JP's real name was.
I'm one of the niggas, I keep it to myself, bro.
John Pavelski.
Yeah, that's Josh's name.
Yeah, Josh.
A fucking weird ass name.
Yeah,
Hey, Caleb,
bro.
where since when have you been trading, bro?
I like when I seriously started trading, probably like 3 months, 4 months ago.
Nice. Damn,
I mean,
bro.
I've been learning like, how could I say this? Like, I've known about Forex for like about 2 years, but like for those 2 years, I guess I've been like researching, and then like 3-4 months ago, I really like started like, you know, doing like the London
Yeah.
sessions.
My dog.
Yo, we still got runners running, bro. Isn't that fucking crazy?
Hey, Dollar. You said now cap.
What's up?
You said now cap. The IG story.
Motherfucker. I gotta go back and look stupid.
Delete it before everybody sees
Yeah,
it.
yeah. At least Pablo, the real one. At least he told me, bro.
Yeah,
They would have
you
definitely
bro.
not copped
I ain't
the
want you going
signals.
outside.
He would have told you by the time
They
that video would have been deleted.
DJ plus 50 pips. See, and it's dope that you have the analysis part too, because like I'm real big on education. Because I remember when I started, I had a really long learning curve because I didn't know whose course to, you know what I'm saying, get. I knew that I had to get a course, but it was so many, you know what I'm saying, there was so many people.
Yeah.
So I seen like a lot of people had like really started getting into the analysis part of it. So they was like explaining in the trades pretty much, and that whole approach. So that's why I was like, you know what? I got a course from this dude named Elliot Hewitt, and he's London. He's based out of London, and he used to trade for our actual institution hedge fund. So that's the only reason, like, why I knew. I was like, all right, well, this dude used to, you know what I'm saying, actually be trading for an institution and not just saying, oh yeah, I got institutional trading style or whatever, but he actually literally traded for HBCS. I was just like, all right, well, you know, it seems credible enough. And then, you know,
Yeah.
it was what it was from there. As long as that education is there, man, because he didn't say nothing about the Lambos.
That's how it
Ferraris,
is, bro.
anything.
That's how that dude. Like the real traders, dude. They don't need to fucking buy any car like that, bro. They
Yeah,
trade,
bro.
dude. Like they make money for real money. They don't need to show anyone about it. Like to get a following and to get their money pretty much after every fucking. Like you're selling them the lifestyle, not even trading.
Mm-hmm. That's why I try to have my IG pretty much like it's like a
Yeah, I see that, bro. You have straight charts and straight
yeah, like good content. I gotta get back to posting more too.
what was I gonna say? Duncan Effects, Pablo Hustle, Reedman. Who else was here? Oh, JP. Kind of sucks that Duncan isn't really doing it.
Does he he just takes like breaks or whatever?
I don't know,
Like
bro. He hasn't even fucking posted. I feel like something bad happened, low-key. You know?
yeah, that's what I was saying. You
Like
know,
he lost
I
his
know one
confidence.
time.
I feel like he lost his confidence, bro. Like over this week, last week maybe he like blew an account or I don't fucking know, bro. But he just hasn't
Yeah, man.
been himself.
You gotta talk to his boys, man. You don't want to go through that stuff alone, though. Especially y'all close down there. Like y'all are actually y'all can like go link up with each other. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's what we do up here. Like I'm like JP, not JP, but JB and my boy Trey. We literally stay within like 30, 40 minutes of each other. So if any one of us has like a bad day, we'll literally just, you know what I'm saying, pull up at the
Yeah, and
house.
at the end of the day, it's just a call away, you know.
Yeah, bro.
He was here in Miami. He didn't even hit me up.
Yeah, that's why it's kind of weird. You know what I'm saying? Like when your boy just get distant like that, you gotta have like a better, you gotta have
Communication.
better. Yeah, man.
Facts, but I don't want to chase no nigga around. That's for sure.
Oh no, yeah, definitely, bro. Everybody,
Like
yeah,
if you
y'all
wanted to
wrong.
see me, you could have just called me, you know.
Facts.
But we're
At the
two
end of the
prideful
day, man.
fucks, bro. Honestly. So like if one of us doesn't call us, the other one won't ever, we won't ever talk to each other, it seems like. Damn, bro, I had my greatest trading night tonight. Hopefully I don't fuck it up throughout the week.
Hey man, just keep doing what you doing, bro. That's all you gotta do.
Bro, and to
So I
be
tell
honest, the
myself,
streams, bro, the streams help you, bro. They help you, like, in every single fucking way of the game, bro. Because you know people are here listening, taking your trades. And that's why I manage my risk trader better ever since I started the live streams. Because I know I'm playing with other people's money, you feel me?
exactly.
Or other people's accounts. So I'm more quick to close the trade and miss the move than to risk it hitting full stop loss, you know? And
Facts.
I feel like it's made my trading way better, dude. And then like at the end of the week I go through all my trades and then I kind of just put in the trade breakdown, which ones like stand out.
Mm-hmm.
And I even go through my losses. Like this week I didn't because I only took I took two losses. I took a negative 10 pip gbpjpy, I think it was a buy. I lost 10 pips on a Sunday. That was the first day of the week. And then I lost a gold longs that I lost almost 40 pips on, but I still ended the week up.
Oh, that's dope.
Cause of the news, bro. I was in on the news on Euro JPY and GBP JPY. I caught these shorts all the way up here, bro. Like at the first break.
It's a pound interest rate decision coming out this week
But
too.
yeah,
So
Pablo,
on
bro, dude, I'm
Thursday.
telling you, we can scale this bitch up, man. We can fucking, as long as we fucking have our Instagrams active and shit, like eventually people will catch on to us, right?
Oh
So
yeah,
and
without a
then
doubt.
and then you gotta. I think that, dude, you'll do so good if you had a signal service, bro. And that way
I've been
you.
debating on it, man.
But like either way, dude, you don't like since we will be on the lives. Like you won't even. You would just have to say, oh, slide to the lives if you want the trades. You get me? Like you don't have to send the signal when you're on the live. You get me? Because people should be watching the lives anyways.
Right, right.
So that's what I'm saying, bro. And I saw you guys are starting to do like your trade breakdowns and shit. I saw the little video you guys made. It was nice, dude.
Yeah,
With
man.
editing and
One of the
shit.
yeah, that was a whole other dude, man. One of the I was at this little
I
birthday
thought that was
party
your
for one of my
boys.
friends. Yeah, yeah, he is. He is. He actually we met. He's not he's not an 18 member, but he has his own financial service called Free Game Finance. And I
Yeah.
met him at a like a little birthday thing for my boy. And we was just outside talking, and I saw him looking at his phone, and he pulled up TradingView. And that's when I was like, "Oh man, what you know about that?" Da, 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 da. He was like, "Yeah, man, doing a little bit of trading here and there. No iMarkets Live though." As soon as he
Mhm.
said that, I was like, "My boy," you know what I'm saying? Like exactly, no IML here. And then from there, man, we just started, talking, and keeping in touch with each other, and he wanted to start doing like weekly podcasts or like weekly, you know what I'm saying, like weekly wrap ups and stuff like that. So that's when I come in, you know,
Yeah, that's
keep
crazy.
it groovy.
Yeah. That's how you build a community, bro. I feel like if we just focus on building a community around our trading, first of all, it'll make our trading way better than what it was when we didn't have it. And and then second of all, bro, you're literally like I feel like if we focus on the community, building the community, the money's gonna follow, right? And then
Oh yeah, the
people
money's
are
a
gonna
byproduct.
exactly, dude. It's not even like what we want, right? We're gonna be making money off our trades anyways. Like
Exactly.
we don't need their money, right? But eventually it'll grow from it just being free to the point where we're actually charging people for our knowledge, all our time, right? Cause bro, we put in how many hours on these fucking charts, bro?
10,000.
Type shit. That's what I'm saying. So what the fuck? We gotta fucking get paid for that, I feel. And of course, we're gonna have free knowledge all the time, right? It's not gonna be like that we're gonna fucking charge for every little fucking piece of information. No, we're still gonna have our live streams, we're still gonna have all that shit, but there's certain things that like do cost money, right? Like I feel like our work should be paid and not work for free.
Bro, I definitely agree. That's how I feel like that's pretty much how Raul uh modeled his signal service, because it's actually about quality. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then from there,
Exactly.
the fact that he's
And
been
then
doing
once
it for
you give
5,
it to
6
them for
years.
free for a while, bro, they're like, damn, bro, this guy literally taught me how to trade. Like, how do we not support him? How do we not buy his course, right? How do we not, like, dude, like, they're literally learning from us. You feel me? Not they wouldn't be
You know,
here. So,
facts. There's
we just, yeah,
-year-olds who's gonna look at this stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's 16. And
yeah, some
imagine
savage
somebody,
shit.
you're 16 years old and like run across a forex video, and it was about some people you actually could relate to, and you know what I'm saying, you didn't feel like you were in a chemistry class or mathematician class. You know what I'm saying? You can actually vibe with the individuals and build a relationship or whatever. That's how I got. That's why I started watching Daniel Savage, because I was like, you know what, this dude is actually relatable. Like he's not just an instructor or
Bro,
super
the guy
boring
was
monotone.
he was literally a scammer, bro, a straight up scammer. Like before all this shit. That's why he already had money before he started trading. He had like Dude, at least like 200,000 to his name before he even started trading. Of course, it's not built on the best of
Hey, you gotta start somewhere, man. Every hustle gotta, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's story gotta start somewhere.
yeah.
I got a homie right now. This dude is a professional scammer, like professional, bro. He live in LA, still scamming to this day. Right now, bro. I can go to his Facebook. And he has like a Rolls Royce Cullinan.
I'm telling you, bro, them scammer niggas really make that bread.
Bruh, that junk kind of scary, bro, because all they take is just one wrong move, man. And you talking federal, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bruh, just one
But it's so hard
move,
to catch you, bro.
For real, I thought it would be easy, honestly. They just not on
Dude,
the
like,
radar
think
like
about it.
that.
You're behind the fucking internet, bro. Like, there's so many ways to hide. First of all,
See,
the
this
people you're
dude
fucking
be
with
going
don't
to the
even know your
ATM.
name.
See,
Yeah.
this dude right here, he be getting people to like, he'll do something and then like, I don't know what the process is, but all they gotta go to, you know what I'm saying, all they gotta do is like go to the ATM and get the bread out. You know what I'm saying? He done did all the sketchy work, but he sends the, you know, the dummy pretty much to actually go to the ATM and, you know what I'm saying, hey, look, I give you, you know what I'm saying, 10 pounds, you're gonna get out 20 though. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna give you 10. So, you know, of course a fool would listen to that. Or, you know what I'm saying, I'll give you 2 racks, bro. Somebody that ain't even got $50 to their name, they about to just walk up to an ATM and grab
Yeah.
20 racks. Like,
Facts. That's how it goes down, though, low key.
yeah.
I'm sure that's how it goes down.
Oh yeah, all day, bro. I seen it live. I was with him. I'm like, bro, he really, you know what I'm saying? And you know, it was a good time afterwards, but the process of like, is anybody watching us? You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted us the feds kind of like around the corner, all those different thoughts, bro, just be in your brain, and you have to sit with that for like 15 minutes. That just ain't fun.
Facts.
Just learn how to trade, bro.
Yo, how you boy be scamming?
You say what you say, Caleb?
How he be scamming?
You said how he be scamming? No,
Yeah, like what does he do?
bruh, I literally do not understand that process at all. But like, he fills out some type of bank loan agreement thing, almost like that PPP loan stuff people was doing, and he, you know, pretty much lie on those applications and saying that it's somebody else who it isn't, and that the person just has A1 credit or whatever. He has like people's social security, you know what I'm saying, numbers in. So it's coming off like, yeah, bro, real scamming, like real live scamming. And he's the second person that I've seen with that composition book. I was working at Food Lion, I want to say like maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. Nah, probably like 6 years ago. And my produce manager, he was kicking it, went to go outside, smoke a black and mild, and he just asked me straight up. He was like, yo, you know anybody that be, you know what I'm saying, with the ID fraud? I'm like, you asking me straight up, you know what I'm saying? Like, you asking me straight up, do I know anybody that do ID fraud? I'm like, nigga, no. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I'm in Food Lion with you trying to make an honest living. Of course I don't know anybody that do that. You know what I'm saying? And then broke to me to the back. Man, he showed me his compositional book. Almost every page had someone's social security number. Like front to back. You feel me? Front to back. Like front to back. Like 40 plus pages of social security.
Ow, it's my leg. What?
You know what I'm saying?
It was covering my leg anymore.
I knew at that point, bro, that scamming life is real. You know what I'm saying? Dude bought a 2012 like Corvette. Like off the lot, bro. Z06 Vet, like 90 something K, bro. Bought it cash.
You did?
Work.
Dude, how could you do that to her?
Your mom.
See that? How funny Give me 1 sec.
Damn, bro, it's 6:17, dog.
Mm-hmm.
What time did you wake up?
Probably like I woke up around like 3:30, 3:45. Oh, y'all still be going from Sunday to like Sunday night pretty much until Monday morning.
Bro, I never stay up this late, to be honest. I'm just trying to get this shit running.
Yeah, I know, man. Usually you'll be done tapped out of here, bro.
Yeah, I'm just reflecting on the little losses I took today and why how I could have taken a better entry and shit. It's not easy though. Trading is
bro,
definitely
trust
not
me,
easy.
man. At all, man. It's mental.
Oh yeah.
That joint's super mental.
For the week.
At all.
Yo, Ivan was having a breakdown last week.
Told you, bro.
Didn't even show up today.
And that's what that's what be happening, bro. I tell him, like, you know, like, bro, you have to show up. Like, what do you think's gonna happen? Like, we're here every night, bro. You can't even, you don't even get a chance to talk about the trades you miss. Or matter of fact, you don't even get a chance to be upset at the trades you missed because you wasn't even there.
Yep. Oh man.
I hate when that
All
happens
you
though.
talk about is, yeah, bro. All you talk about is the trades you miss when you actually do show up and you beat yourself up. Like,
Oh yeah, bro. That's all he does when he comes on there is he beats himself up. I'm like, dude, there's gonna be tomorrow.
it's like he don't even want to accept that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Did you guys, what happened? I don't even know what happened when I left on
Man, that
Friday.
joint got annoying, man. Like, he just was, bro. He was
It
drunk.
kept going.
Yeah,
kept
bro. He
going.
was drunk, man. Yeah, that's what I was saying, like, bro. Cause I know it was times. Yeah, it was times when we was on Bullish Lifestyle together. Yeah, Duncan may have been saying something, and then like Ivan was just like,
Wait,
cut him
Ivan?
off.
You talking about Ivan?
Yeah, Ivan, down there with you.
Yeah, that motherfucker. He gets annoying, dude.
Yeah, man. It's cause he be drunk. He cool when he not drunk.
Hey,
Man.
he cool and everything. It's just like.
But like, yeah, sometimes
just-
he be talking about he be talking everything other than trading, and I don't like that. You know, like we're here to fucking trade.
Oh yeah, yep, he does
Yeah.
do that.
And he's talking about crypto.
See.
It's like, motherfucker, crypto is going to shit. How are we gonna catch DJ longs where that shit's gonna pay us our whole life? You know?
Just read these charts,
Yeah.
right?
Read the charts, boys. Alright, so I just created this. I gotta start journaling, but I kinda, yeah, I guess I gotta start journaling. Remember I told you I used to journal and shit, Pablo?
Yeah, on that website you put me on.
Yeah, you still using it?
Pay me
Nah,
Everett.
We
Yeah,
got-
yeah, yeah, yeah,
We gotta get back
My
on.
boy Jamie Everest, boy.
yeah.
My brother.
Yes, sir.
But nah, dollar. I was using that site, man, and I just went back to my actual like journal and my like pen and paper.
Oh, really, dude? How the hell you? I guess I like that other thing better because of the fact that you can actually show a screenshot of the trades you did take.
Right. See, that's what I use my IG for. Like, I use the IG for that, and I just manually write them down and just did, cause I be trying to like once I'm off the charts, I just I'm off, so I just go ahead and like write them down, cause I only take I'm saying no more than 2 trades a day.
Yeah.
So that's just easy.
I took
man.
7
I'm
today,
good.
bro.
Yeah, see, I
Dang.
can never go past 3. Like that's in my rules to only take no more than 3 trades a day.
But my
So
first
it
2
makes
trades
me-
caught me 100 pips. I guess that's why, bro. I was saying that in my stream. That's why I went a little crazy because my confidence was through the roof, bro. My first 2 trades smacked.
Oh yeah, facts. Hey, if it's paying you, it's paying you. You know what I'm saying? You can't even be
And
mad
I
at
think
that.
if I would have just taken 2 or 3 trades, bro, I would have not have caught like 245 pips tonight.
Jeez, and it's only Monday.
See, my thing is by me
It's only
restricting my
Monday,
trades,
boys.
it forces me to focus on the better trade. So I feel like when you give yourself less trades, you're gonna be forced to only take those trades that will end up in 100 and some odd pips because you're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah. That's what I
you
usually
know
try
that
to
you
go for.
have
1 to 2 trades a day.
yeah,
If I
bro.
take 1 loss, I might get off.
Yeah, I'll give myself, and that's when I'll start reducing my risk. Like if I take a loss, I'll start out at like maybe like 1/3% risk, and then depending on you know what I'm saying the intensity, depending on the volume, depending on the movement and the structure, that'll gauge if I you know what I'm saying add more that extra 1/4% to make it a whole 1, or if I just deduct by 1/4. You know what I'm saying, so that way I can give myself multiple. I can give myself those 1 to 3. Trades if I'm actually trying to catch one specific move in the bias, and I'm like, all right, but even if I was wrong on the bias and now trades going the other way, well I still have 2 chances, 1 to actually get a higher risk to reward, so that way this will recuperate the loss that I did take, and then it alleviates me having to take another trade because boom, I'm looking for 9 times out of 10 I'm looking for 1 big move that has potential scale ins, so that way I can get the max position on my first entry, and then my scale ins are always like 1/4% risk with like 3 to 1, 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm just a freak. I'm like a robot when it comes down to like precision and I guess like
Yeah, you gotta be a robot on these charts. No emotions, bro. Once you bring emotions to this shit is when you start getting a little trippy.
Yeah, you get clapped like
But
a reward.
give me 1 second. Let me end this stream real quick. Yo, guys, everyone, thanks for coming. I appreciate everyone who is here to the end of it. You guys are the real fucking riders, and you guys actually fucking want it. So I'm proud of you guys. Just if you guys have any questions, just DM me on Instagram. I'll be here tomorrow. See you then. Peace, boys. My best night ever streaming.